How's it going, guys? Got a quick one today. I ended up picking up a secondhand Black Widow exhaust I wanted to throw on, but I wanted to do a before and after video and not just throw it on, you know? So we're gonna do that real quick. Before we do that, I do have a long ride video that I have been editing. Hopefully I'll get that one out soon. But I just want to do this real quick just to give you guys a before and after of the exhaust once I throw it on there. So I'm just going to chuck it on real quick and we'll see how it sounds. From the looks of it, all you gotta do is pull this Allen out, pull that Allen out, and it should be a quick swap between the two. I say it should be a quick swap, but I might have jinxed myself. It's not the right size. Aziz, more light. Alright, there's one down. Let's do the other side. So that's an 8, and the other one was a 6. People were not kidding. That thing weighs a ton. That is so heavy. So much lighter. That just goes like that. It's interesting that he has the mark there. Let's loosen all of this up. That. Where's my 14? It's not bad, actually. All right. I don't know what the actual torque specs are. All right, let's see what that sounds like. There we go, quick little change. It's not terribly loud compared to stock, but it does sound a little bit better, a little bit beefier. Just wanted to check in, throw that on, give you the before and after, and the ride video is in the edit, and hopefully that one will be up soon too. All right, thanks guys.